5 minutes in learning English with Urooj at the platform of English with Urooj. In this video, I am gonna share the useful story in the story that will change your life. It was about the story of the wrong number. Yeah, the strange number, the wrong number, who spoiled the life of a girl. You may say that this is a typical story and there is nothing new to know about it. Wait, in this story, I'm gonna share it. So there must be something special in it because I'm gonna share it. Okay, it was a time when I was in my metric class. There was a girl whose name is, just suppose the name is Maria. The name of that girl, I'm talking about the supposed name, not the actual name. Whose name was Maria. She used to be the topper. She used to get the first position in school. Even in the 9th class board examination, she got the first position. But there's some sort of the jealousy as well, because there's something when tried to be happen good in a positive manner, so something also start coming in your life with the negative energy. Yeah, this happened with that girl because she was so innocent, and I know that girl personally because I'm not in a contact right now that girl, and I'm not in a touch in the contact right now, but I used to be very close to that person because I have personal intention to know that a person who loves to do study, who loves to do evaluation analysis of the something. So yeah, I knew that girl really personally at that time. Back to the story. It was a time and a rainy day. The Maria was crying on the stairs of the school ground because it was a time of the recess when I was eating something. So I saw the Maria. She was absent about 2 days already. So when the 3rd day she came, so I did not know like she's in front. She is also present in my class or not, because I used to be also innocent that I did not have any connection to know something and to get curiosity about the things as well. So when I was eating something, so I saw the Maria. She was sitting on the stairs, but with someone else. She also made the new friend. Another friend name is B. After discussing the something, and I was observing the something while laying towards the wall, the Maria started crying. What happened with the girl, with the person B, I don't know right now, but actually she started sobbing. And she was so in unconscious way. She was trying to say something, but her voice did not support her, and she was unable to deliver the words and to deliver the secrets as well. So I moved towards the Maria, and when her friend saw me, she ran away. I was so astonished why she left her place when if I just came here. So why she left the place, because I love the Maria, but she also loved her best friend whose name is B. So why she left the place? Because I'm the new one, and no one can take actual place of the friend. So I was so astonished at that time, but the Maria cried, and she kept on crying and shared her story with me. It was evening. She was solving her maths question at the tuition center. The cell phone rang up. She attended the call. It was a new number with a stranger voice. She dropped the call, but he kept on messaging, hello, hi, listen to me, you are so beautiful, you are so intelligent. These kind of the messages she was getting at that time. She was so nervous and anxious, and she shared this story with her parents as well, but the parents also trusted the Maria as well. But Maria was also so jolly at that time, so I don't think there was any guilt of Maria at that time, but it was the age of 14 to 15 when everyone gets attracted towards the negative and the opposite pole as well. So after cutting the long story into the short, the Maria started to get attached with that person with a stranger voice, because there was no one in the Maria's life, only some good female friends. But this was a new chance, and definitely when she started to believe that person, it means there was something special to be trusted. For example, the genius person and the intelligent person who has a good cognitive ability, he doesn't like to trust anyone. So even if she started believing that person, it means there was something special. And that guy pretended actually, I know everything about you. Because I have a super genius power, I'm a super sharp person, and I can know you about very well. She started to talk with that person around in 2 or 3 months, and as the 3 and 4 months passes, they started to make a plan to meet up. And yes, Maria got trapped into that web and she went there. But actually what happened with her, we can also assume actually what happened with her. It was the morning when she realized she was not at home, and she was at somewhere else. She called her father by hook and crook, and with the help of the someone, her father came to pick up her, but with zero respect. Definitely no, the parents does not like to do the respect to the girl if you are the genius one and the intellectual one as well, and they've already given you some sort of the authority and the dignity, so how can you break their trust? So it is not the fault of the parents as well. So Maria did not have any guilt about the parents, like why they are behaving like this to me, but I felt so sorry for my friend Maria, and she dropped the school. And the suspicious guy made some content for her, and she used to receive some sort of the messages as well. So the end of the story is that when she realized actually what happened with her, so there was an involvement of her also the best friend. So it also did happen with the help of her best friend. She was jealous of her grades, marks, percentage, position, esteem, and everything, and the value. So always be aware with the person who you are surrounded by them, because everyone who smiles, who shakes the hand with you, who shares some sympathetic words with you can never be your friend except your parents. So the morale is that you should ignore, not the should. I will use the phrase must. You must ignore these kind of the bullshit. I hope you like this story. Take care. Bye bye.